In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to permanently remove a game from your Steam library. Sometimes we buy games that we no longer wish to see in our collection, or perhaps you have a free-to-play game or a demo that is simply cluttering up your user interface and you want it gone for good. While hiding a game is always an option, many users prefer a more permanent solution to keep their digital library organized and focused only on the titles they actually play. If this video helps you clean up your Steam account today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel grow. Before we jump into the steps, it is important to understand what a permanent removal actually entails. Unlike simply uninstalling a game, which keeps the license on your account for future downloads, removing a game from your account effectively deletes the license. This means if you change your mind later, you might have to repurchase the title or go through Steam support to recover it. It is a serious step, so ensure you are absolutely certain about the game you are selecting. Alright, let's get started with the tutorial. First, you need to open your Steam client on your desktop. Make sure you are logged into the correct account that contains the game you want to delete. Once the application is open, look at the top navigation bar and click on Library. This will bring up your entire collection of games, software, and tools. Take a moment to scroll through your list and locate the specific game you want to remove. It is a good idea to click on the game first, just to verify it is the version or title you intend to strike from your record. Once you have identified the game, go ahead and right-click on the game title in your sidebar list. A context menu will appear with several options like Play, Add to Favorites, and Properties. Hover your mouse cursor over the Manage option. When you hover over Manage, a secondary side menu will pop up. In this submenu, look for the option that says Remove from Account. Clicking this will not immediately delete the game, instead it will trigger a confirmation window. This is Steam's way of double-checking that you aren't making a mistake. The window will explain that removing the game will not issue a refund and that the game will no longer be available in your library. It is vital to read this text carefully to ensure you understand the consequences. If you are still certain, click the big button that says Remove. Once you click that, Steam will process the request and the game will disappear from your library list instantly. The process is very streamlined compared to previous years where you had to navigate through the Steam support website to achieve this. Now, even though the game is removed from your account, if you had the game installed on your hard drive, the local files might still be taking up space. It is always a smart move to check your Steam apps folder or use the uninstall tool before performing the account removal to ensure your storage space is actually reclaimed. Managing a large library can be overwhelming, but by using the Remove from Account feature, you can maintain a much cleaner and more professional looking collection of the games you actually love. If you accidentally remove a game that you paid for, don't panic immediately. You can often go to the Steam support page, search for the title, and select the option that says it is not in your library to attempt a restoration, though this is not always guaranteed for every title. This method is the most efficient way to handle library maintenance in 2026 without needing to contact a support agent directly. Remember that for bundles, removing one game might sometimes affect the other games included in that specific bundle, so keep an eye out for any warnings during the confirmation step. If this tutorial helped you tidy up your gaming setup today, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We release new technical guides and software tips every week to help you get the most out of your digital life. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.